Okay, so this is you, moving through life, no worries, no problems, then out of the blue, bam, you get hijacked. I'm not talking about planes, or cars, or boats, and I sure ain't talking about one of these things. No, I'm talking about hijacking a life. Your life. I'm talking about you getting taken places that you don't want to go. How's it happen? Simple, with surprise attacks from anger, lust, lies, bitterness, worry, and a critical attitude. When these guys show up, they take control. You're just along for the ride. These hijackers are always sneaking and lurking, ready in seconds to take complete control of your thoughts, your mouth, your actions, even your future. And can you say collateral damage? Because I'll tell you who can. Your spouse, your kids, your friends, your family, they all get caught in the crossfire. Not even mittens is safe. A simple conversation explodes in rage. Skadoosh, hijacked by anger. A little flirting turns into cheating. Bam, hijacked by lust. You're too afraid to face the truth? Boom, you just been hijacked by lies. When you can't forgive and you won't forget? Ka-ching, hijacked by bitterness. When the near and distant future ties your stomach in knots? Bingo, hijacked by worry. And if you can't ever think of something nice to say, hello, a critical attitude is in charge, my friend. Is this what you wanted? Is this where you always dreamed your life would be? I'm guessing no. And unless you want to spend your life as a hostage, I suggest you step up and take charge. You gotta arm yourself with love, joy, peace, patience, kindness, goodness, faithfulness, gentleness, and self-control. Because that is some armor-plated badness, my friend. That's the big guns. We're talking the spiritual version of Chuck Norris standing outside your door ready to take down anything trying to jack you up. So calm down, open up, listen in, and face the truth. It's time to put yourself back in the driver's seat of life and never again be hijacked. What's holding you captive?